Yeah.
Okay.
That's a whole different category.
Got it.
There's also another great website for more brick and mortar businesses called BizBuySell, BizBuySell. And I don't work with brokers on businesses because they're a big pain in the ass. But if you're a business broker, I apologize. But there are classified listings where owners will list them. I started looking at these online businesses for sale, and they're all selling on revenue and cash flow, and even on the e-commerce side. But I started digging in, and a lot of these guys have YouTube channels, but the YouTube channel is the asset that I want. I don't really want the e-commerce business. Let me give you an example. I found a diabetes e-commerce site. They were selling, I don't know, stuff that you need to take care of yourself when you have diabetes. I think they were like alcohol swabs and books and courses and all this stuff. And it does about $1 million a year in profit on this diabetes e-commerce site. But I go in and I find that they have a YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel, over the last 2 years, the YouTube channel has 3 million views on the entire YouTube channel. That's a lot, right? But they only have 960 subscribers. 960 subscribers is not over the threshold to monetize that YouTube channel. You have to have how many?
What was that? 5,000 or something?
You have to have 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize a YouTube channel. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of rolling watch time in a given year. Okay? So I look at this YouTube channel. The thing is getting thousands of views every day. They don't have the subscriber count to get them over the threshold, which means that all the ads that are playing in front of that YouTube channel go back to YouTube. So I'm going to try to go in and take